Welcome viewers. I am Professor Karunesh Saxena, Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. I am planning to offer you a course on entrepreneurship. Its title is BCH 4.5 Entrepreneurship. As you know that nowadays entrepreneurship has become very important because students have got lot of creative ideas, and if encouraged properly they can put these ideas to real life startup projects. The main objectives of this course are that number one, to introduce students to fundamental principles of entrepreneurship so that they can run a startup of their own. Number two, to equip them with practical skills which are necessary to realize an entrepreneurial idea. And third is that to instill a sense of creative thinking and problem solving which is necessary to get a business off the ground. Friends, this is a 3-credit course. Therefore, I am planning to offer it in 10 weeks with 30 video modules. As per MOOC methodology, I will be offering this program to you in 4 quadrants. In the first quadrant, video modules will be provided to you. In the second quadrant, additional reading resources, learning resources in the form of OER, that is Open Educational Resources, will be made available to you. Even the transcripts of the videos will also be made available here. In the third quadrant, there will be provision for discussions, chat forums, live chats, etc. will be there. Fourth and final quadrant will be focused on evaluation, that is where your knowledge of the subject will be evaluated in the form of multiple choice questions, quiz, assignment questions, some other practical small live projects can also be given to you. Friends, the evaluation methodology is such that 30% weightage will be on assignments, 30% on practicals, and remaining 40% will be on final exams. In this program, I am going to cover the basic overview of entrepreneurship, what qualities are required in an entrepreneur, what is the socio-economic setting and backdrop of an entrepreneur. I am also going to talk about so many different types of entrepreneurs such as ecopreneurs, netpreneurs, intrapreneurs also, and social entrepreneurs. So many different types of entrepreneurs we will be discussing. So, one of the most important aspect in entrepreneurship is the business plan development. So, I will be teaching you how the business plan can be prepared, and I will also be giving you an assignment to prepare a business plan of your own, how the project report can be prepared for your entrepreneurial idea, how the presentation can be made before the financial agencies to get the funding for your startup, and also I am going to discuss some of the aspects of how this startup can be incubated and how this idea that you are starting out with can be developed into a full-fledged successful business venture. So, this is the whole journey of entrepreneurship which will be covered in this program in a very interesting, lucid and practical manner.